about botanical giants. Let's find out. I'm going to ask you 3 questions, then give you the opportunity to wager 9 points before I reveal the answers. Think you can get all 9 points? Let's see. What is the tallest species of tree in the world? Bamboo is technically a member of which plant family? Which giant lily pad found in the Amazon can grow up to 10 feet in diameter? Strategy time. You've got a 5, a 3 and a 1 to give out. Place your wagers on the questions you're most confident in. Time for the reveal. Let's check the answers. Starting with question 1, the answer is coast redwood, Sequoia sempervirens. For question 2, the correct answer is grass pochie. And for the final question, it is Victoria amazonica. Go ahead and total up your points. That's the end of this challenge. Ready to keep the streak alive? Click the related video link now to jump into obscure inventions. Let's go!